Hello and welcome to Saurashtra's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. We cover all the four topics for biotechnology paper like biology, physics, chemistry and also mathematics. This is the question number 50 from section 3, hence it is a numerical answer type question. Therefore, we need to find a numerical value as an answer. Okay, so let's see what is in this question. The total number of multiple peaks in HNMR spectrum of 135 triisopropyl benzene in CdCl3 is what? Okay, CdCl3 is a common solvent which is used for NMR analysis. It is used because most compounds will dissolve in it. It is volatile and hence easy to get rid of. Okay, and it is also non-reactive and will not exchange its deuterium with protons in the molecule. Not exchange is deuterium with protons in the molecule. The structure of 135 triisopropyl benzene is looks like this. Okay, there are two peaks in the HNMR spectrum of 135 triisopropyl benzene in CdCl3. There are two peaks in the HNMR spectrum of 135 triisopropyl benzene in CdCl3. Peak A is due to aromatic hydrogens and peak B is due to methyl hydrogens. Okay, therefore the right answer is 2. Okay, so we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.